So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a linear inequality. So if you look at this inequality that I've got here, it's linear because the maximum power of x in it is 1. Okay, so now you start to solve this the way you would a normal linear equation, yet there are some slight differences to the process, which I'll come to later. So to start off, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So this will give me 2x less than 5x plus 6. And then I'm going to have subtract 5x from both sides, which will give me minus 3x less than 6. Now here's the key difference between this and what you'd use for linear equations. You can't just divide 3 by negative 3 and say x is less than negative 2. You actually, whenever you divide by a negative number in an inequality, you have to flip the inequality sign. So if it was a less than, it would be a greater than, and vice versa. So x greater than negative 2 is the solution. So that was how to solve a linear inequality.